Lower your blood pressure with hibiscus tea. Hibiscus flower is known for its beauty and its healing power as well. It has been used in traditional medicine, aside from providing beverage teas. Recent studies have proven hibiscus tea's medicinal benefits, most especially for heart health. It was proven that deep red flowers can help lower blood pressure. This is due to its diuretic properties, and their anthocyanins block angiotensin-converting enzyme, or what is known as ACE. ACE is the compound that causes blood vessels to constrict. Hibiscus tea recipe. This makes a great, refreshing tea. Ingredients: 4 to 5 tablespoon fresh hibiscus flowers or 3 tablespoon dried hibiscus, 4 cups of water, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon raw sugar, juice of 1 orange. Directions: 1. Boil water and pour over the cinnamon stick and hibiscus. 2. Steep for about 20 minutes. 3. Strain out cinnamon stick and hibiscus. Then add orange and sugar. 4. Serve hot or iced.